I know that there's probably another hour at least, hour and a half to get up this other track. I've been mucking around. I was going to start a campground in Collingwood or Takaka, but I've decided to go to this one.
Ciao e benvenuto. È ora di continuare questo giro. Grazie per la visione. Hi and welcome. It's time to continue this ride. And thanks for watching. It's very much appreciated. We've had a great day today. It's been a long one. We've travelled from Murchison up to Takaka. We've gone up and over to the west coast, and now we've come back through Takaka and we're heading off into the distance.
Oh, that was beautiful down there. You probably can't see. It's very, very clear. I've made a decision, so let's just get there and do it.
Here's a little map of where we've been and about where we're about to go, where the Griso sits right there. Looking forward to this one.
Oh well, look at that, in the middle of nowhere. I've still got 20 k's to go. It's going to tells me I'm going to take 40 minutes to get to the camp, and it looks like we're here on the gravel neck, so let's do it. Let's do this.
Going by the Rankers app and the description of the road, it appears like it is a little bit of a challenging road, a little bit narrow, so that's part of the added challenge and mystery of what we're about to endeavour to travel.
I just thought I'd take a break because there's still 12 k's to go, 25 minutes, and my shoulder, my collarbone, not my collarbone, my shoulder blades are killing me. Tell you what, those earplugs, they are not going back in. There's a buzzing like a drone, but I don't know whether it is probably wasps. Well, we're a way up. Don't think it's wasps, it's actually bees. Goddamn mighty beautiful, but let's have a look over the bank. It's only a one-lane track, and this is probably not the worst of it, but GoPro can't normally tell the angles, but this angle to me is this. Look down there. I don't want to fall down there because I can assure you I ain't going to be pulling the bike back up out of that. Oh, hopefully we don't have too far to go now. We'll get the gear back on. I'll have a couple of stretches on my shoulders and let's enjoy it. Actually, so there we are now on the wee red car, which is not a car, to go along the Cobb River Reservoir. So that's cool. If we go right down, I've been way over here at the top end of the South Island, which was pretty cool. Well, there goes the reservoir. So I'm guessing the campsite is down the very far end of that. So it's a wee way to go. There's nothing really stopping you from camping here, to be honest. Another one of those power generating wheels. It's almost like it's not really a generator wheel, it's more like a blooming something that's going to cut you up. Oh wow, look at that, that's pretty cool. So here, I've come all the way from down there to there. And we've got to go to there, so we're just over halfway. And I'm going to camp at the camp there. And that's what the other will look like.
It's awesome to see the history behind places like this and the purpose for what they were built. And people in the past took the time and saw an opportunity to capture water and use it for the generation of electricity for the population that resides in the area. It is really cool travelling this road. Windy, quite narrow. You just have to be a little bit cautious and be ready to scoot off into the grass or something of oncoming traffic. So far, I could not be more thankful for the weather that I have had so far on this trip. When we started back yesterday, travelling up to Murchison, that little bit of rain and drizzle was a little bit of an annoyance, but never really caused a big problem. And today, the weather has just been absolutely divine, spectacular, and has really made this trip so special so far. So I'm really looking forward to pitching my tent and relaxing after all this gravel riding, which I really enjoy, but it can be a little hard on the old body.
Well, this place got a few sandflies. That's to be expected. It's near a river. The road in here was exciting. I think I already said that. Really, really pleased, as I've said, to have made it. And made the effort to come down here rather than staying in a campground. I paid nothing for this one. Guess I'm doing away with taxes. This will be mint. I've got a bit of mint chocolate too to eat. Not that that's relevant. But do look at the sandflies, eh? Can you see them hovering around my face? They're blooming annoying already. But anyway, I won't let them get to me too much. I'll change our pants and chill. Actually, it's a very nice spot here. Very, very nice. So just overlooking the camp. There's my tent and bike over there. Oh, this will be a perfect spot, eh? A wee bit of a fire. I am so pleased I made the effort to get up here. I'll go down and cook some dinner, and hopefully the sandflies won't eat me before I eat my dinner. So today we've got the sandfly wiggle out because we've got to try and keep these sand things away. Today we've got some whole potatoes. They're going to be great. And we got ourselves some mushy peas because I just couldn't not. I have a beer to have, German premium quality. Cheers, cheers. And a steak. Let's dinner. Doesn't that look good? Damn. Oh, these potatoes, they smell good. Now we've got to serve up. This is the tricky bit. Well, that meal is fit for a, I don't know, might have to spoon the peas. Leave me to this wonderful meal. Cheers. Oh, that feed was exhausting. There's a lot of food. Really, it's probably was enough for two. How many servings are one of these tins? 3 servings of that. And potatoes. And 3 servings in the tin of potatoes. Well, in saying that, I didn't have breakfast. I won't have breakfast tomorrow morning. I will have those potatoes. And I only had that fish meal for lunch, so funny. Well, given how rough that road was, how's this beer gonna fare? We'll see how we go. Nice and gentle. Ooh. Not surprising, to be honest. Oh well, thanks for coming along on this camp. It's not finished yet, but cheers to you. I hope you're having a cracker of a weekend, or a cracker of a day, whatever day of the week it is. Last night this would have been a premium spot to camp, especially with the campfire there and tree. Just perfect, but there was a camper van here. There's a cabin over there in the bush. Looks like you can actually drive up there. Are they like a monarch butterfly?
Awakening to another beautiful day. It is just another beautiful day to wake up and travel back out the way we came. Looking forward to seeing what today's adventure may bring.
Well, there goes the Culp Reservoir Dam. Powerhouse, I guess it's a powerhouse, or whether it's just a dam and power's generated further down maybe. I think. The reservoir looks low. It looks like it would have been up here somewhere, and where it's down there. Then the water flows through, not through the bike, down here. That's the gate for the water to flow down. I'm loving this ride today. I'm loving this ride every day. Bit dusty, needs a bit of a wash. We won't worry about it today. It's actually a really nice ride through here, or drive if you want to come in a car. It's lumpy and bumpy in places, and but at the same time, just the scenery is beautiful. Coming in here seems to take forever in a day, but it doesn't take that long in reality. I'm nearly halfway out already, so I've still got a way to go. I'm very contradicting myself, but it's always quicker on the way out.
Looking at the flow of water through the station, and there's no water flowing out of the dam, so there must be some alternate sources of water to generate the electricity that is being generated. Makes one very curious. There is a magic and mystery behind travelling the same piece of road one way, then travelling the other way out, seeing it from a different angle, 180 degrees kind of. But it's really cool, and just this area is spectacular, and there is so much to enjoy and take in. looking across at the grandeur of what is the Takaka Hill. It's one of those roads that gets you from Tasman into the Golden Bay, and at the same time, as for a motorcyclist, it is a golden piece of road that is divine and allows you to skip between the corners and lean the bike over and enjoy the magical sights. But we will carry on. There is more to come in this adventure.
I will stop here. Oh my god, my shoulders. Oh, I've been as far as this before. Hell, can you see anything? Holy dust and stuff. Damn, that road, it was nowhere. I'd rather ride that single lane road through up to Cobb Reservoir, because my god, my eyes are just full of it. Oh, I'm pleased to get that off.